What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. I'm in a good mood like always. I keep saying it, I just want to spread like some good ass energy towards you and motivate you to make beats right now. So make sure you grab your laptop while watching the video. That way you like learn the most out of this video, you feel me? If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community, you feel me? But anyways, let's just dive right into the video. Let's get it. And right here, I want to go up with the melody, so let's just skip every other note, and we can put this one here as well, see how that sounds. I want to go with this chord at the end, like dun, dun. That is sounding super smooth. I also got the swing on like 20% right here. That way you create like a little bit more groove and rhythm inside of the melody. What I'm going to do right now is layer this. Let's add some reverb to this. Let's add this crazy vintage plugin. Just wait, just wait. This is not the full sample. We're finna make something crazy. I'm telling you, this loop is going to be crazy. Believe in me, believe in yourself, believe in the video. You feel me? So make sure you stick around to the end. Let's get it. Okay, so that is something for like in the background, something really subtle. I added this shaperbox. I just added some reverb and then I cut out some lows out of it. Ooh, goddamn, that's wavy. Wavy. That's what we needed, bruh. Smooth ocean motion waviness, you feel me? Let's just add some accents from here to like spice up the melody even more. And then we're going to flip it and dive straight into the drums. So let's get it. I want to like switch it up a little bit, you feel me? So head over to channel volume, and what I want to do is just like the volume to go like in a ocean motion type of shape. Like that is just perfect. I'm thinking about maybe flipping the sample twice. Sometimes you can grab like a sample and then flip it, but then I sometimes come like with another idea, so flip the sample again into like something completely different. So that is what I'm trying to like do today as well. So Hey, bro. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, that's fire. Whoa. Super wavy, super ambient and smooth. Like, wow. What I want to do now is flip the melody again, but like differently. Maybe like speed up the tempo and half time it and make something really unique. Ooh, god damn. Just wait. 808, clap, and hi-hat. Let's pitch up the melody. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. You feel me? It really means a lot to me that you guys are supporting me. Like, the channel is just going crazy lately. Much love, for real. I appreciate it a lot. This was like a ambient tutorial with like some super hard knocking drums in like maybe the style of, I don't know who I hear on this beat, but anyways, let me know down below which beat you like the most. I kind of like the second beat. Anyways, I'm active on social media as well as Beats. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.